Hey everyone, it's John here, your trusted guide from Exodus Capital, helping you make smarter investing decisions without all the confusion. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, my goal is to provide you with the insights and tools you need to navigate the complex world of finance. Today, we're talking about something big, and when I say big, I mean potentially game-changing for the entire financial landscape. Warren Buffett, yes, the Warren Buffett, has just indirectly sent what many are calling the ultimate Bitcoin signal. And Peter Schiff, Bitcoin's biggest hater, isn't staying silent either. This is a clash of financial titans, and the implications could be enormous for both traditional markets and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. Make sure you stick with me until the end. I'm going to break it all down in plain English so you don't miss the bigger picture. We'll dissect what Buffett's move means, why Schiff is so vocal about it, and how you can position yourself to benefit from these developments. Before we dive in, hit that like, subscribe and share button so this video gets pushed to more people who need to see this. Your engagement helps us reach a wider audience, ensuring that more people can make informed decisions in these turbulent times. Trust me, with what's going on right now, the financial world is in a state of flux, and staying informed is more crucial than ever. Also, grab your friends, your family, even your co-workers, and get them watching too. This affects everyone. Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for a big purchase, or just trying to understand the market, the information we're about to cover is vital. So, let's get started and dive into the details. Alright, so, what exactly is going on? Peter Schiff, a well-known financial commentator and CEO of Euro-Pacific Capital, has been very vocal again lately. His warnings about Bitcoin are growing louder as the crypto market heats up again. At the same time, Warren Buffett's recent comments about speculation, market bubbles and value investing have some analysts reading between the lines, and guess what they're concluding? Buffett has quietly dropped his harsh stance on crypto and is watching carefully. While Warren Buffett has been famously skeptical of cryptocurrencies, his investment principles can still provide valuable insights for those looking to navigate the volatile world of digital assets. Peter Schiff's biggest issue with Bitcoin: volatility. He's been vocal about this for years, emphasizing that Bitcoin's price can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. This unpredictability, he argues, makes it a poor store of value. He's warned time and time again that Bitcoin's massive price swings make it too risky. For Schiff, the wild fluctuations are not just a minor inconvenience, but a fundamental flaw that undermines Bitcoin's utility as a reliable investment. His comparison: gold and real estate, more stable, tangible investments. Gold has been a trusted store of value for centuries, and real estate provides both stability and potential for income. But that's not all. Schiff believes these assets have intrinsic value, something he argues Bitcoin lacks. Schiff says Bitcoin's price is easily manipulated. He points to the influence of large holders, or whales, who can move the market with their trades. He claims whales can move markets and leave smaller investors scrambling. This concentration of power, according to Schiff, makes Bitcoin even more precarious for the average investor. Then there's the elephant in the room. Does Bitcoin have real intrinsic value? Schiff argues that it doesn't. Unlike traditional investments, Bitcoin doesn't produce cash flow or earnings. Schiff argues that it doesn't produce cash flow or earnings like stocks or rental property. Stocks can pay dividends and rental properties generate income, but Bitcoin relies solely on the hope that someone else will pay more for it in the future. And to be fair, many financial experts, even those not against crypto, share that concern. It's about fundamentals. They question whether Bitcoin can sustain its value over the long term without the underlying economic activity that supports traditional investments. By the way, before we continue, whether you're a beginner investor or someone who thinks they have it all figured out, you need the right knowledge, especially in uncertain markets. Check out our stock investing course for beginners, or if you're advanced, dive into our AI Stock Mastery course to stay ahead of the game. Links are right below this video. Click to learn more after watching. Alright, let's continue. Schiff's harshest warning is simple and scary. Bitcoin could be a massive bubble just waiting to pop. He says too many people are treating Bitcoin like a ticket to instant riches rather than a serious investment. And that's dangerous. If or when that bubble bursts, Schiff believes it will leave millions devastated. That's why he keeps urging people to diversify. This is why smart investors don't go all in. Wealth is about balance. And that's exactly what we teach in our courses without giving away risky strategies online. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Buffett, who famously called Bitcoin rat poison squared, has softened up, at least indirectly. Recently, he and his company Berkshire Hathaway have invested in financial tech companies that enable crypto trading. No, he didn't buy Bitcoin, but in investing, actions speak louder than words. This subtle move, many believe it's Buffett saying, I still prefer value, but I won't ignore what's gaining traction globally. That's the signal right there. He may not be cheering for Bitcoin, but he's quietly accepting that it's here to stay. Here's the million-dollar question. What should you do with this information? Look, whether you love or hate Bitcoin, ignoring market shifts is the fastest way to fall behind. Understanding viewpoints like Schiff's and Buffett's helps you stay objective, avoid emotional investing, and make educated decisions. That's why here at Exodus Capital we focus on education first, not hype, not speculation, just smart, real-world investing knowledge you can apply safely. Before you go, if you found this valuable and want to go deeper without guessing your way through investing, we have some fantastic resources for you. Enroll in our stock investing course for beginners to get step-by-step fundamentals. This course is designed to take you from a novice to a confident investor, covering everything from understanding stock market jargon to making your first trade. Or take it to the next level with our AI Stock Mastery course, and learn how top investors use AI to make informed moves. This advanced course dives deep into the world of AI-driven trading strategies, helping you leverage cutting-edge technology to maximize your returns. Click the link in the description right now and get started. Our courses are designed to be user-friendly and accessible, with plenty of support along the way to ensure you succeed. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so our content reaches even more people who need to know this. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and reach a wider audience. And tag your friends, family, and colleagues. Sharing this knowledge can help them make better financial decisions and improve their investment strategies. Help us spread knowledge. The algorithm will thank you. The more you interact with our content, the more it gets recommended to others who can benefit from it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.